So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add Ethereum to your wallet here on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on the home page. Then at the top where it says fund your wallet, go ahead and select add funds. Once you're on this page right here, you can select your token. Now in this scenario, you want to add Ethereum. So just scroll down to where it says Ethereum and press on that. Once you're here, you can select the amount of money in Ethereum that you want to add to your wallet. So in this case, it's $100. You can change this to $50, whatever the case may be. You can also go to where it says Apple Pay right there and select if you want to do this in the form of Apple Pay or debit or credit card. I'll just go ahead and leave it for Apple Pay in this example and then press continue. Once you're on the next screen right here, simply go ahead and fill in your basic information. And once that is done, go to the bottom, press continue to proceed this way with adding Ethereum to your wallet. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add Ethereum to your wallet on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.